Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very blessed to be here. I'm very blessed to show you my savings that I got. We ended up going to Walmart. So I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. And we did the Ibotta. So I ended up getting a lot of cat food because I miss my cat and I love my cat. And it's like it makes her happy and she's my baby. So I'm very blessed to be here. I got a few core bars and some oxy, but I hope you enjoy my video. I'm very blessed to be here, and I'm very blessed for all the prayers that you gave me for my mom. My mom is doing great. She's getting her strength back every day, and she's doing a lot better. So I want to thank you for everything you do. Cherish those days that you do have with your loved ones, because you're not promised another day. So I want to thank you for that, and I want to thank you for my new subscribers and my old subscribers. And I hope, like I said, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys. God bless you guys. I ended up buying this core bar. It's the peanut butter chocolate. It was $2.18, but from Ibotta it said buy one get one free. But I had to pay 18 cents, so they gave me $2 back for that. The same with the Kato bar. This one is the chocolate cookie dough. I paid $2.18 and I got 18 or $2 back, so I paid 18 cents for that. Like I said, I stocked up on stuff my cat likes. I bought this Fancy Feast. These are $1.18 a piece. Buy one, get one free from Ibotta. I ended up buying these Beyond. I ended up buying 4 of these. And if you buy 4 of them, you got $2 back from Ibotta. And these are $1.18 a piece. And they're Beyond Marker Mixer, and they're for your immune system. And then I bought 2 little gravies. These have gone up. These used to be $1.18, but now they're $1.24. So I bought the 2 little gravies, and they were $1.24. Buy one, get one from Ibotta. And then I also bought 2 little soups, and they were $2.24, and it's a buy one, get one free from Ibotta. So I spoiled my kitty. She loves it. And like I said, I was worried about her, and I've took her to the vet several times because she gets where she don't want to eat, where she got like sores or like sores in her mouth, and they said sometimes it's common with cats. And so I had to do like antibiotics and stuff like that, but like I said, it works, and so I worry about her. So, and then I bought 3 of these, and these are $1.56 a piece. And then if you submit it to Ibotta, you get $5 back. So it was a little money maker. It was like 30 some cent money maker. So that's a great deal if you need to take it for travel or just take it to work, just whatever. Keep it in your car. I donate these a lot. So we have people that are homeless, so I give it to people. So I think that's a great deal. I ended up getting this for $2.37, but I got $2 back from Ibotta. It's a moisturizing cream, and so I thought that was a great deal. So I got it for 37 cents, and it went towards my Ibotta Weekend Warrior. And then I bought the Febreze. I like that because it's $2.35 or $3.35. I had a $2.30 back from Ibotta, so it made it 95 cents. So I took advantage of that, and I put this with the bundles and everything, so people like that. And like I said, prices of food is getting high. Like I ended up, I remember buying these for $1, but these have gone up to $1.97 over at Walmart. And if you buy 2 of them, you get $1 back from Ibotta. So I ended up paying like $3.97, and then I got $1 back, so I paid $2.97 for these. So like I said, things are getting so high on food, cat food, just everything, gas. So take advantage of savings that you can. And so that was my haul on that. I ended up paying $31.95 before tax, but I got $20 back from Ibotta, so it made it like $11 and something. But I ended up buying a Fetch gift card with all the money that I got back from scanning my receipts. I will put down my referral code down for Ibotta and Fetch and stuff because, like I said, I had over $100 just scanning my receipts. And so I thought, I'm going to buy a gift card. But be aware, it used to take where I could get it within hours, but it took me like 3 days just to get my gift card back. So, but like I said, it was worth it. I only paid $8 and something out of pocket for that. So here's my receipt on that. There's where I did the gift card. But that's not it, guys. This is one of my favorites. I ended up buying this Oxy. This Oxy was $7.97. I ended up buying 2 of them. I ended up submitting $8 to Swagbucks. I got $8 back for that, and I got $2 and like 42 cents back from Checkout 51. So it made this guy for 2 of them $5.70. So I ended up paying, or $5.40. Sorry, $5.40. So I paid $2.70 a piece for these, and that is a fantastic stock-up deal if you like Oxy. $2.70 compared to $7.97, almost $8. So that knocked it over half. So that is a fantastic deal. So I just wanted to share my haul with you, and I hope you can get the same things I have. Remember, Ibotta has different. I might have $2. You might have $1, or you might have 50 cents where I have 25 cents. So like I said, Ibotta is different for each person. But I also got my Weekend Warrior too, and so I got $5 extra for my Weekend Warrior. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited about sharing my haul with you. I hope you can come out with good deals too. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you comment down below. If you like my Walmart Ibotta hauls, please let me know. And God bless you. And thank you for tuning in. And I hope you enjoy this video. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.